Hey, what is going on? So, I had a few curb finds today, air conditioners. Uh, 4 air conditioners, one dehumidifier, which is the whole top is missing and the cord's cut off, so I'm gonna have to scrap that. Anyway, we're gonna check this one out. It's a fairly new General Electric in the box. Looks pretty much almost new. Here's the bar. Stick that here. Ooh, it actually looks kind of dirty. We got the oh, there it is. Just making sure it had those panel clip things. Fortunately, my neighborhood cord cutter didn't get to it yet. All right, I'm gonna take this out and plug it in. I'm gonna bet money that this does not work. Okay, so we got it all set up here. I got it plugged in. Yeah, so it's like an analog unit, not nothing special. If it works, this is pretty good resale item. Let's turn that down. Fan works. Compressor came on. Sounds really good, really quiet. The back's pretty much perfect. Just has some caulk on it. I can peel that off. It's not a big deal. But will it blow cold air? It's getting cold. It is getting cold. Filter's clean. I'd have to take the screws out to get the cover off. Probably have to take the knobs off too. It's feeling pretty cold. It's hard to see in there. I'm not going to take the cover off. Yeah, it is working. It's cold. Not super cold yet, but it's getting colder. Pretty quiet, I'm surprised. Yeah, I thought for sure this would not work. Yeah, it's cold. This works. That is nice. So this is definitely a good resale item. Got the panels all in perfect shape, instructions. Ooh, even got the weather stripping foam, the screws. Can't beat that. Can't beat that at all. Alright, so that was a win. Definite winner. Does it come off of this? Yeah, I think it did. Yeah. Yeah, that's definitely a winner. Yeah, it worked. Alright. So I was proved wrong. I was pretty sure this would not work. This is a thumbs up. Runs perfect. Alright, I'm gonna go through the rest of my stuff. And here's the dehumidifier I just picked up. It's actually a shame that the top's all missing because it's kind of interesting. Looks like it's from the 80s. I don't even know what brand it is because it doesn't say on the tag. Doesn't even have a brand name. This is all plastic. I don't know if that scrapper guy cut this cord off, or it's probably what it was. The whole cover was nowhere to be found. So anyway, not much I can do with this. I'm gonna have to scrap it. All right.